guys, we're here at the American Cheesesteak Company at Metrotown Mall. We're gonna try that Philly cheesesteak double meat, $13.65 tax in. Let's give it a try. Here we are at the American Cheesesteak Company. They got everything. Lobster, shrimp, melted. Here's the video of the menu.
Hey, you always start Mountain Dew.
This video on the food.
Yeah, I got you.
I'm gonna do a review on YouTube for you.
Alright, man. Looking forward to it.
I know, me too. You guys are gonna saute the onions too, right?
Yeah, of course.
I hate raw onion, but I like sauteed.
It's just that we don't mix them until the very end.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think the guys in Philly just have a side pot of sauteed onions, and then they just throw it on there probably.
Exactly.
Yeah. You guys toast the bun too? You guys
Right
toast right on.
Yeah.
I can't wait, man. I'm looking forward to it.
Trust me, we won't disappoint you.
Right on. When I spend 14, I want to be happy. Even when I go to Subway, I always had extra meat for $3. Eh? Double the meat for $3 more is always good. Hopefully we can fit all that double meat in there, eh?
Yeah.
Is there any sauce on the bun or no?
No sausage.
Yeah, not it.
Something we can put on the side for you.
Yeah, what kind of sauces you got?
We got like garlic mayo, sriracha mayo, barbecue sauce,
I don't know.
or just regular plain mayonnaise.
Wow.
Yeah.
Looking good, everybody. American Cheesesteak Company.
How that look for you?
Looking good, man.
Would you need a bag?
No.
Okay.
Here we are, guys. We're opening this big beast. And we're gonna try this shit. I was gonna get mushrooms, but oh yeah. Put some dirty onion on there. Fell on the ground. They forgot to cut it in half, I think. Damn it. Here we are, we're gonna rip this off. I'm gonna save that piece for my cameraman. That's hot, guys. Not bad. A little more ketchup on the inside would be really good. That is hot. Not bad, guys. Give it a try. It's in Metrotown. We probably got locations everywhere. Look it up on Google. Catch you later.